Welcome to KCJM NGO. Visit our website kcjmngo.com for further and more videos. Today we learn how to configure Tally ERP9 to generate different kinds of reports. The problem is that NGO has to report to so many agencies that funding agency wants expenditure in the form of budget head. Sometimes management or trustee wants report as per areas or as per activities like education activities or medical activities. Chartered accountant wants expenditure in their standard form like printing and stationery, telephone expenditure, etc. Then what is the solution? Solution is we have to configure Tally in such a way that they can generate different reports. Let's see how to do that. Go to the Tally F11 features. First we have to configure these features, accounting features, and check whether cost category and cost center is yes. Cost center and cost category should be yes. Now we create cost category. So for that you have to go to the account info, cost category, create. I create two types of cost categories, project wise and nature wise. Project wise expenses means budget head wise expenses, and nature wise expenses means standard expenditure. So we can get these two type of reports. Now we prepare a cost center. Cost centers are a project. So go to cost center. When we go to the cost center creation, they ask for the category. Under which category you have to create. So I create project wise expenditure and then project A. This way I have created three projects for demo, project A, B and C under project wise expenditure. Now we have to create a budget head. For that we go to create a ledger as a budget head. Like I have created training expenses under project A expenses, which is under group of indirect expenses. Same way I have created so many ledger accounts. You can see here under project A 4 budget head, then project B and project C. Now let's see that how far we have created. So far we have created project wise expenses under cost category and indirect expenses, project A, B and C as a cost centers, and budget head like training expenditure and etc. as a ledger head. Now we have to create a cost center under standard expense category or a nature wise category. Again for that we go to account info, cost centers, create, and they ask for the category. Then we select nature wise expenditure and then we create so many such kind of expenditures like I have created here stationery expense. You may create telephone or any standard expenditure. You can see I have created here so this kind of a standard expenditures, postage, printing, stationery, salary, staff welfare, traveling. Now we have to enter a voucher. So under payment vouchers, whenever you enter a voucher and the ledger head you enter as a expenses, they ask for a cost center. Here we have two types of bifurcation. So first we create project wise under project A and nature wise because it is a communication expenses. I select telephone expenditure. So this 300 go into project A also and in a telephone expenditure also. So enter. This way I have created so many vouchers. Now let's see how this reports looks like. To view report, go to display, statement of accounts, cost centers and category summary. Here you can see that this report shows total expenditure in two ways: nature wise expenditure and project wise expenditure. You have to see that both the bifurcation has the same expenditure, like here it is 57,600. Second way to see the report is you have to go to the cost center wise. Project A expenditure, here you can give the have the bifurcation of project A expenditure as per the budget head. Now you can use your creativity and see here I have created two types like project wise expenditure and area wise expenditure. You can create project wise and activity wise expenditure, or rural area and urban area, or head office and field office expenditure, and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video.